Friends, hello everyone, welcome to this channel. And in today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can delete saved login information on your Facebook. Please friends, subscribe to this channel, be sure to put your likes and also write your comments after watching the video. So let's get down to our topic. And first, open up the Facebook app on your phone. Next, here you'll need to go to the menu section at the bottom. Next, in the top right corner, click on the gear to go to Settings and Privacy. And here, you will need to go to the Meta Account Center. Next, go to the Password and Security section. And next, find the section where you logged in. Now you'll need to select your Facebook page. And so you will see absolutely all the devices from which you have logged into your Facebook account. As you can see, at the top, the device from which you are currently logged into your Facebook is highlighted. And at the bottom, there will be a list of devices that you've logged in from before. And in order to remove that login information, you'll need to click here. And then you'll need to select absolutely all devices. And then you're going to select Logout. This will log you out of all the devices that you previously logged into the Facebook app. And that's how you're going to delete the login information that you've saved. But I'll tell you right away that you can't delete the login information from the device from which you are currently logged into Facebook. You can only delete the information of the devices from which you logged in earlier. That's the way it is, friends. You will be able to delete your saved login information on your Facebook. I hope this video was helpful for you friends. Put your likes, write your comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.